Want to set Spotify songs as ringtone on Android or iOS? In this video, let's find out if you can set Spotify song as your ringtone. Now, the thing is, Spotify doesn't allow you to set songs directly as ringtones. So if you open the Spotify app and then play any song that you want, now tap on the three dots. Here you will find different options like share, add to like songs, add to playlist, but there's no option of adding it as your ringtone. So as you can see, Spotify does not allow you to set songs directly as ringtones. For this, there are a couple of simple workarounds. You can use a music recorder app or an audio editing tool and then record the part of the song that you want to add as your ringtone. Now save the file in MP3 format, then you want to open up your settings. Now tap on sounds and vibration. Then select ringtone. Now you will find a recording over here. Go ahead and select that. Then the ringtone will be added. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.